Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Tilda affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with the Tilda affiliate program, start by visiting the official Tilda website. Look for the affiliates section, typically found in the footer or under the menu. Click on the link to the affiliate program. You'll be taken to a new page with detailed information about the program. Read through the requirements and benefits to ensure it aligns with your goals. Once you're ready, look for the Sign Up button and click on it. Fill out the registration form with your personal details. Provide any necessary links to your website or social media profiles. Review the terms and conditions carefully before agreeing. Submit your application by clicking on the designated button. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message from Tilda. This may take a few hours to a couple of days. Once approved, you'll receive your unique affiliate link. Log back into your affiliate account to access your dashboard. Here, you can monitor your performance and earnings. Share your affiliate link across your platforms to start earning commissions. Utilize Tilda's promotional materials to enhance your marketing efforts. Stay updated with any new promotions or changes in the program. Engage with the affiliate community for tips and support. Now you're set to start promoting Tilda with your affiliate link. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.